morning everyone, I'm Roshni and you're watching Property Cloud. Today we are going to talk about a premium villa style residential project located on Kanakpura Road, one of the South Bangalore's rapidly developing residential corridor. The project is called Spring. So if you are looking for a privacy of an independent villa along with the security and convenience of a gated community, then this project could be worth exploring. In this video, we will talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's begin with the project overview. Spring is a low-density luxury row house development designed for home buyers who value space, privacy, and a premium lifestyle. The project is spread across approximately 5.5 acres and the project features just 66 luxury row houses, creating an exclusive and peaceful residential environment. The homes are designed with a basement plus ground plus 2 upper floor, offering spacious layout that cater to modern family living. The project offers exclusively 4 BHK luxury row houses, making it ideal for buyers who are looking for larger homes with a villa-like living experience. The expected possession timeline for the project is September 2027, and one of the key highlights of the Spring is its ability to combine independent living with the comfort and security of a well-planned gated community. Now let's talk about the location. So Spring is strategically located on Kanakpura Road, a corridor that continues to see strong residential growth due to its improving infrastructure and connectivity. Kanakpura Road itself is approximately 2 minutes away from the project, ensuring easy access to major parts of the city. Silk Institute Metro Station can be reached in around 10 minutes, making daily commuting more convenient for residents. Nice Road is also approximately 10 minutes away, offering smooth connectivity across Bangalore. JP Nagar can be reached in around 15 to 20 minutes, while Banashankari is approximately 15 to 20 minutes away. And road connectivity, the location offers both convenience and long-term growth potential. Moving on to the lifestyle offerings, so Springs come with a thoughtfully planned selection of amenities that complement its luxury row houses concept. Residents will have access to clubhouse, swimming pool, fully equipped gym, along with a landscape garden and a jogging track for recreation and wellness. The project also includes kids play area, indoor games facilities, and a multi-purpose hall for community gathering. Overall, the project is designed to deliver the perfect balance of luxury, privacy, and everyday comfort. And now let's take a look at the configuration and pricing. So this project offers spacious 4 BHK luxury row houses with the sizes ranging from 3,607 square feet to 5,236 square feet, and the pricing starts from 4.82 crore rupees onwards. The rate is approximately 12,499 rupees per square feet. With expansive layout, premium specification, and a low-density community design, these homes are well suited for buyers seeking a premium villa-style lifestyle in Bangalore. Now coming to the booking process, so it is simple and transparent. The first step is to schedule a site visit and explore the available units. Once you have selected your preferred row house, you can proceed with a token amount payment. After that, the requirement documentation can be completed to move forward with the booking. Villa-style developments in rapidly growing corridor like Kanakpura Road continue to attract strong buyer interest because they offer both lifestyle value and long-term appreciation potential. For brochure, pricing, detail, payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.